Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I'm grade 5 science teacher, and you have to first open up your page number 32. We are doing the topic migration from the chapter number 3, animals in their habitats. Migration means to move from one place to another, and the animals also have to move from one place to another for search of food, for shelter, for search of shelter, and for better environmental condition. Now migration is basically done because sometimes the animals or the birds that are used to of living in the cold environment, they can't survive in the hot environment. So when there is a hot environment and they are used to of cold environment, they have to migrate during the hot days to another place to find the cold environment, and when their own environment is the same, they come back again to their own place, and this is called migration. Most of the birds and the animals also migrate from one place to another to find food, for shelter, and for better environmental conditions. In this reference, there are frogs. Frogs are amphibians. They migrate from their place to another place, but when their conditions in their own area becomes better, they come back to their own places. Now the oceans have the largest habitat in the world. Dolphins in the oceans, this is a fascinating fact that dolphins cannot breathe in the water. They have to come out, jump up to breathe outside the water. Then we have studied about we have seen the movements of the different animals. You can see the movement of the birds, they move with their wings, and you can see the movement of fishes, they can move with their tail and their fins. Then we studied about the life threatening situations that animals are facing. Now the threatening situations are the animals that are facing is because of animals are facing pollution, they are facing deforestation, that is cutting of trees and plants, and unregulated hunting, too much hunting. That's why the animals' life is threatened, they are in danger. Now, what are endangered animals? We studied about the endangered animals. The animals left on the earth in small numbers are called endangered animals. Now, so much measures are taken to protect the animals, and deforestation and increase in land claims by humans are disturbing the natural habitats of several animals. It means too much cutting of the forest and too much cutting of the trees is making the animals in danger. And the second cause of the factor that is removing the existence of animals is pollution. Now, what is pollution? Pollution comes from the chemical waste, the smoke, and the dirty water that the animals are drinking, animals and birds are drinking, is also killing the animals. The third thing that is threatening the animals' life is the too much killing of animals by like hunting of the people. Unregulated hunting, too much killing of animal is also the factor that is threatening the existence of animals, so it should be stopped. And how are the animal life people are protecting? They are protecting the endangered species by conserving its habitat, and they are trying to keep the animal in their natural habitats where they can survive. And if they are having a proper environmental condition, they will survive more. If they are having a life without pollution, they will survive. And if we plant more and more trees and restore the forest, do not cut the forest, then we can save the endangered animals. Then I have given you a work that you have to do in copies, and that I have shared in the WhatsApp group also. That why do animals, you have to do question 5 till question 5 you have done. So now you have to do question number 6. Why do animals migrate? Why do animals migrate, move from one place to another? In search of food, in search of shelter means home, and for better environmental conditions. Then what are endangered animals? The animals left on the earth in small numbers are called endangered animals. What are the factors that are threatening the existence and health of animals? That what are the factors that is killing the animals? One is deforestation, cutting of trees and forest, pollution, and unregulated hunting. Too much killing is the cause of threatening of existence of animals. These question 6 till question 8 you have to do in copies. Thank you very much. This is your homework. Allah Hafiz.